Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Profunedu, we are here to present our research about enhancing Javanese language proficiency in elementary students through video game-based learning platform. My name is Arif Setiawan and my co-author is Samsul Ma'arif. We are from Pendidikan Teknik Informatika, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Let's start from background and problem statement. Javanese language proficiency among the younger generation, particularly elementary students in Indonesia, is declining. This decline has cultural implications and poses a threat to the preservation of regional identities and tradition. From the previous research, it indicates that traditional teaching methods are ineffective in maintaining the fluency and daily usage of the Javanese language among elementary students. This underscores the need for innovative approach. Although some methods like flashcard, online participatory learning, and then multimedia-based game have been tried, but it's still insufficient. There's a research gap in assessing the effectiveness of this method, especially for Javanese language learning. So we choose video game-based learning to resolve this problem. We develop a new one perso. This is a game that the purpose is to enhance Javanese language proficiency among elementary students. Our methodologies is waterfall model. It's a sequential design process with a 5 phase from requirement and then design, implementation, verification, maintenance, and where we use the linear approach because it have a clear milestone and checkpoint. For the testing, we have several testing. It starts with expert testing. We have a media expert and material expert. Media expert is they test for user interface and functionality. The material expert, they have to evaluate the content of the game with the Javanese language curriculum. And then we forward to testing with student. We use a quasi-experimental method. We have 25 students from SD Negeri Totosari Surakarta that we split in 2 groups, 12 in control class and 13 in experimental class. This is the result of our research. This is the game of Nyun Perso. It has several methods and several game in there that you can see in the following slide. And then we testing with the media expert. From the result, media expert evaluate the technical quality and user friendliness of the game. It has the result of 87% and 88%. That affirming that the quality and user friendliness is okay. And then from the material expert result, the material expert result evaluate the educational relevance and alignment with Javanese linguistic standard, and it has 88% score from the test. Then we evaluate with the student from two groups, control class and experimental class. From the pre-test and post-test, the test showed that it have a significant increase from the experimental group from 46.92 to 87.23. That it affirming that the effectiveness of the game-based learning platform, they can increase the result from pre-test and post-test. So our research finding affirm that the application of the game that we develop is effective. This aligns with existing research on game-based learning platform from the another research, for example, the Lial Ahli, and then from University Pendidikan Sultan Idris, and then Dong X. This research is aligned from the research that game-based learning can effectiveness in enhancing language proficiency and student motivation. So in conclusion, that this study validates that the effectiveness of game-based learning platform for Javanese language instruction, and then it opened avenues for further development, such as more level and more vocabulary. Our contribution is adds the growing body of evidence supporting the use of innovative technologies in education, and then demonstrate the potential of video games to engage learner and enhance subject mastery. Thank you. Yeah, it is from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.